So I'm going to show you how to customize these shortcut buttons on the Insta360 Luna Ultra. So by default, these shortcut buttons do two things. Now the right one is set to change the filter. If you set a specific filter, you can quickly change to that filter by just pressing on that button. On the left one, it's made to change between the selfie mode and the front facing mode of your camera. Okay, so anytime you press it, it changes and then it changes back to look forward. Now, if you want to customize those to change what they do, you swipe down and then you swipe to the left like this. So tap on custom buttons, and then now you can customize what the left button does and what the right button does. Now on the left, you can see it says to flip camera. You can change it to something different. So for instance, you can enter 360 panel, you can enter barrel roll, you can change it to do whatever you want. And also to change the right button, you can go there. You see it's currently set to switch filter. If you tap there, you can change it to do something else, right? So that is basically how to customize the shortcut buttons. This one's right here on the Insta360 Luna Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.